Manchester United could be ready to pounce after Mauricio Pochettino's shock Chelsea exit. The Argentine left Stamford Bridge following only one season in charge in West London.
But Pochettino may be swiftly welcomed back to the Premier League as Erik ten Hag's future remains in doubt. The United hierarchy have long admired the former Tottenham manager, who was pipped to the job by Ten Hag in 2022.
Ten Hag will remain in charge for the FA Cup final against rival City on the weekend, but his job is far from safe. Should the Dutchman be sent on his way, Pochettino will be among the favourites to succeed Ten Hag.
Read more on Man Utd Blue Devil. Man United eye Pochettino to replace Ten Hag just hours after shock Chelsea exit. Pepsi Master win a stunning Rolex or £12,500 alternative from just 80p with our discount. And here, Sun Sport looks at how they could line up under the now ex-Chelsea boss. United are in the market for a right-back and Pochettino is a big fan of Achraf Hakimi, who he signed at PSG.
And he was linked with a move for highly rated Everton centre-back Jared Branthwaite. England pair Harry Maguire and Luke Shaw have been staples in United's defence, with Andre Onana the number one despite shaky form.
Most read in football. Hats off. Luton release 14 players including long-serving star in ruthless squad. Cull take it as Red. Man United will sack Erik ten Hag after FA Cup final even if they beat Man City. Ten Hag latest Man United to sack manager after FA Cup final. Parch lined up as a replacement. Mo Salon most disliked player. Welcome Salah to slap head club after shock. New look casino special. Best casino welcome offers at Chelsea. Pochettino often deployed a 4-3-3 or 4-2-3-1 formation, which has also been used by Ten Hag. Pochettino has given young stars a chance during his time with the Blues, which would be good news for 18-year-old sensation Kobbie Mainoo.
Andre Onana offers to take bullets as he names himself among 4 Man United stars who should face criticism. Cole Palmer, Chelsea's best player of the season, shined after joining from City in the summer. So Pochettino would be tempted to sign the boyhood United fan wherever he ends up next.
He could fit into the number 10 role at Old Trafford with Fernandes partnering Mainoo in a pivot. Going forward, both Chelsea and United have been linked with Crystal Palace's Michael Olise.
And Olise would complement a front three alongside Marcus Rashford and striker Rasmus Højlund.